Hello everybody, how are you? How's it going? It's Saturday. It's July 6th. We're right in the middle of this long weekend, and the days are a little confusing right now. Yesterday it felt like Saturday all day, and it was Friday, and that's a good thing. So hope you guys are enjoying your long weekend and had a good 4th. And we have no shout outs today, and for the song, going to go to the Jefferson Airplane. This is a song written by Grace Slick and sung by Grace Slick on their Crown of Creation album, which I believe came out in 1968, if I'm not mistaken. If it wasn't 68, then it was 69, but I think it was 68. Anyway, this was the lead track on that album. It's called Lather, and it tells the story of a very interesting young man. And here's the airplane and Lather. Lather was 30 years old today. They took away all of his toys. His mother sent newspaper clippings to him about his old friends who'd stopped being boys. There was Howard C. Green, just turned 33. His leather chair waits at the bank. And Sergeant Dow Jones, 27 years old, commanding his very own tank. But Lather still finds it a nice thing to do, to lie about nude in the sand, drawing pictures of mountains that look like bumps, and thrashing the air with his hand. Oh, but wait, oh, Lather's productive, you know. He produces the finest of sound, putting drumsticks on either side of his nose, snorting the best licks in town. But that's all over. Lather was 30 years old today, and Lather came foam from his tongue. He looked at me, eyes wide, and plainly said, "Is it true that I'm no longer young?" And the children call him famous, and the old men, they call it insane. And sometimes he's so nameless that he hardly knows which game to play and which words to say. And I should have told him, no, you're not old. And I should have let him go on smiling, maybe why. That's Lather from the Jefferson Airplane. That just takes me back, man, I'll tell you. Any of those airplane tunes take me to a specific time, usually, and it's a good time. So hope you guys enjoyed that one, and if not, maybe you'll enjoy tomorrow's tune. We'll see. So stay safe out there and enjoy the rest of your weekend, and we'll see you tomorrow. Keep on the sunny side. Bye-bye.